Hi everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains Play. We are going to solve this question, but if you are not right, you have only 10 seconds to solve. Your time start now. Okay, your time's up. Here we have the question 10 divided by 2 parentheses 3 square minus 4. So here, as we can see, there is parenthesis part which is 3 square minus 4. And here we will follow the PEMDAS here. Okay. And first preference is parenthesis, so 3 square can be written as 3 times 3, which equals to 9 here. And we will write 9 minus 4 here. Okay. And 9 minus 4 will give here the 5 result. Okay. So we can simply write, let's change our color. So here we can write 10 divided by 2 times 5. This is next step. And again, many are solving in the wrong way, like they are multiplying this and they write 10 divided by 10 and this will give answer 1, but this is not the right answer. So how we can solve 10 divided by 2 times 5? Here is left to right graph, LTR. We have to solve left to right because multiplication division have same priority. So first we will divide this part, which is 10 divided by 2 will give us 5 here. And finally, for the final answer, we have to multiply 5 times 5, which equals to 25 here. So right answer is 25. And if you found this video entertaining or educational, then subscribe us for more videos.